Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare for you very tastiest Middle Eastern cream dessert. So what we need is, we need definitely delicious berries from my tree that I picked them up. We need whipping cream, 1 cup. Let's put it this here. We need 1 cup whipping cream, and I'm going to put the stove on, kind of a little low. We need half and half, 2 cup. This is like a milk it is, that's 1. And here it is, 2 cup for you. And now we're gonna let this get warm, get hot. And what we need gelatin. It says Knox gelatin. This is gonna make it like a jello, concentrated cream. And what we need is only 1 pack. What we need, we're gonna put the fire a little bit up high a little bit, and we're gonna warm this for 15 minutes. And we're gonna stir it. We're not gonna let that burn or pour over. And we're gonna put the gelatin and we're gonna mix it. Just like this. And 15 minutes we're gonna stir this so the gelatin will dissolve in it and it will combine very good together. So, and next to it, what we need is just 1 cup of water and 1 cup, just like this cup, 1 cup water and 1 cup sugar, nothing else. And we have to let this melt. It's gonna be the syrup. And what we're gonna need is rose water. If you don't have it, you can use orange blossom. But for this one, it will be very tasty, the rose water. So is the orange blossom. Now, in case if you cannot find it, I have orange blossom. I made it on my channel. And I can use even that one. So, now I'm going to stir this for 15 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to work with the berries, what we're going to do. I'm going to lower the heat and I'm going to stir it once in a while. I'm not going to leave it alone. After, let's put this timer here so we will know already, let's see, which already while I'm talking, it's already 2 minutes it was gone. So now we have 13 minutes. I'm going to stir this, and what we have to do is we will put some of the berries here and we're going to smash this just to take the juice out. Just like this. And while the cream is done in 15 minutes, we're gonna see what we are going to do. Those berries are from my tree. It's very tasty. Now is the season. It's good to pick them up and not let them go for waste, and use for very, very delicious desserts when you make pie, when you make tarts, when you make pancakes, whatever you make. Or you can make very delicious jam, which I have again on my channel. One of my videos, I made a jam with it, and I have to say it was out of this world. You should try it. You really will enjoy it. Your kids even, they will love it. So let's do this in 15 minutes. We have time, and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna just stir it. All right, now over here, 15 minutes is gone. I'm gonna turn it off. And I wanna let you know that in case if your stove is stronger or whatever, when you're mixing it, when you see it's already coming out, the milk is rising, turn it off. It means it's fine, but do it on a lower heat and constantly mix it. Now you hear the sugar too, it's dissolved, it's done. what I'm gonna do is about teaspoon of lemon I'm gonna put and turn this off. Why is that? So it won't crystallize. And you're gonna let it cool off. And after it cools off, we're gonna put the rose water, about 2 tablespoons or 3. And you can taste it and you can feel the taste of the rose and the sweet together when it's combined. So now, this dessert, while it's squeezed, I'm gonna take the liquid and I'm gonna put a couple of spoons from the, I'm gonna let it drip couple of the drop of the liquid over here, just to give a little bit nice color to the cream. That's all we have to do. Do not throw this away because we're going to use it. This is mulberry. I was calling berries, but it's a mulberry. Just mix it like this, just to give a little bit color. All right, and now we're gonna put this in refrigerator. We're gonna pour this. You can pour this in a big tray, which is something like flat, round, whatever you have, and you can pour in it, and you can put this in your refrigerator until it sets like a jello. It becomes very tasty cream. There we go. We're just gonna do this, and now we're gonna let this cool off in refrigerator, and then we will be back. All right, now that you see over here, I put this in a refrigerator. It's about like 10 minutes. It cool off. So what I have to do, the berries that we squeeze it, we're gonna put half of it over here and half of it over here, and we're gonna mix this just like this. And now we're gonna put this back in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna let this to become like a jello. We have to take all those delicious juices. There we go. Now we're gonna put this in refrigerator again, and then it's gonna turn like a jello. All right, now that we put in the refrigerator and it got cold, like you can see, just like a jello, frozen, not frozen, but harder. Now what we need hot water in a plate, because we have to separate it. It doesn't turn upside down. So what you have to do, you have to put this in the hot water just for a few seconds, and then it will separate already the dish from the cream. We just have to move a few seconds like this. And definitely it's gonna, you can tell, you can do with the knife a little bit like this. Make sure that the water, it's like it merged in the water. And when you turn your cream, when you move it, it should move. Make sure that the water, it's nice and hot, because from the refrigerator, the plate is cold. We have to wait to get a little bit warm. When it gets warm, we're gonna turn it upside down. And meantime, I have my syrup over here, which we do it 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons rose water or orange blossom if you have, whichever you have it. It gives very delicious taste and the smell at the same time. Already you can smell the rose water. Make sure you always cover the cap. All right, here we go. And I'm sure this one is, the cream is moving. Can you see it? How it moves? So you take the plate. Well, actually, when I do it in a big tray, because for big company, but today I'm going to make in this small one. And then we're going to twist just like this. And you take it out. And I want to say to you, we have to make sure that it goes exactly in the middle, because once it's stuck, it stays on your plates. So this is the way we'll do it. And then we take a couple tablespoons of rose water. Just like this. And then you put some berries. Remember, this is a berry dish. Cream with berries. There we go. And now let's cut it and let's see how it is. When you do it, you offer your guests, you can do it in a small plates, or you can do big one like this, and you cut them square, and you can take them out the way you please. Let's take it out. Let's see how it looks in the middle. Look how beautiful it is. This is the way you offer. Of course, this is small, but you can cut in half. But when you make big, you can cut it square. This is pretty rich cream it is, so you don't want to offer too big. Let's say this is square. You can cut it like just like this. And this is how much you offer your guest. All right. Well, thank you for watching. And in case, I want to say, in case if they want more sweet, you can always take the sweet and put more over. And you put some more berries. And this is the way you offer your guest. Well, I hope you'll try this. This is very rich cream. You have to be careful not to eat a lot, but it's very delicious. You offer your guest, they will surprise. And I thank you again. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. And I thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.